if 5 is divided into pieces that are each 1/2 of a whole, how many pieces are there? And this would be the equivalent of saying, what is 5 divided by 1/2? And they help us out with this visual. So pause this video and see if you can figure out what that is. How many pieces would you get if you divide 5 into pieces that are each 1/2 of a whole? All right, now let's work through this together. So here on this number line, we go from 0 to 5. And then notice, they've divided into pieces that are each 1/2 of a whole. This is one piece right over here. So how many of those halves, so this right over here is 1/2. How many of those halves does it take to make 5? Well, 2 halves make a whole, and we have 5 wholes. So it's going to be 5 times 2, or 10. And we see that right over here. 1/2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 halves make 5 wholes. So this is going to be equal to 10. So 5 divided into pieces of 1/2, or 5 wholes divided into pieces of 1/2 would be equal to 10 pieces. Let's do another example. So we have a similar question here. Here we're asked, if 3 wholes are divided into pieces that are each 1/6 of a whole, how many pieces are there? Once again, pause this video and think about it. Well, they really help us out with this visual because we have 3 wholes. This is 1 whole, 2 whole, and then 3 wholes. And then we have divided them into pieces that are each 1/6 of a whole. This is a 1/6 right over here. This is a 1/6 right over here. So each of these are 1/6. And so if we look at this, we have 6/6 in a whole. And so in 3 wholes, we're going to have 6, 12, 18 pieces. And you could literally just count these up, but it makes sense. If you take 3 wholes and you divide it into 6ths, so this is a 6th right over here, each a 6th. Each of these wholes are going to be 6/6. So 3 wholes are going to be 3 times 6/6, or 18/6. There you go.